Today we're breaking down the top 5 updates in AI, covering new model launches from Google and Meta, a major security warning from Anthropic, and a real-world breach that shows exactly what's at stake as these systems get more powerful. We are seeing a shift in how these models operate. We're moving away from AI that simply answers questions towards agents capable of actively executing tasks on our behalf. As the industry races to build these autonomous systems, a critical gap is forming. Our ability to give AI agency is moving faster than our ability to keep it safe. This week's 5 updates illustrate a real-time arms race between those pushing for more autonomy and the engineers trying to mitigate the resulting risks. Update number 1 is the launch of Google's Gemini 3.7 Flash. Google is positioning this as a high-speed workhorse model, with an architecture tuned specifically to handle coding and autonomous agent workflows. In a real-world scenario, a developer could use 3.7 Flash to autonomously write, run, and debug an entire software module in the background while they focus on higher-level architecture. By focusing on these specific loops, Google is moving deeper into the developer ecosystem, intensifying its competition with OpenAI and Anthropic for the future of automated engineering. The focus for big tech has moved beyond raw chat capabilities. The new competitive ground is how much of a workflow the AI can handle on its own. Update number 2 shows the flip side of that autonomy, a serious emerging security problem for AI agents. In Australia, an AI assistant was recently documented autonomously interacting with a live gym website in ways its creators didn't predict, raising red flags about unmonitored site access. There is a massive technical difference in risk here. While a chatbot generates text for a human to read, an agent connects directly to a web server. When granted access to user accounts and credentials, agents perform actions in the real world that developers might not be able to pull back. Releasing these agents without rigid parameters creates a new category of vulnerability that traditional firewalls and security protocols weren't designed to handle. Update number 3 is a formal warning from Anthropic. The company says the risks from its advanced models have increased, specifically pointing to recent cybersecurity incidents. Anthropic is now treating AI safety as a series of technical hurdles, like preventing unauthorized code execution, rather than a theoretical discussion. As a direct engineering response, update number 4 is the rollout of Anthropic's AI text watermarking. This allows for better provenance, or proof of origin. By embedding identifying markers in the text, it becomes possible to verify if Claude contributed to a specific piece of content. As AI-generated text becomes harder to distinguish from human writing, these watermarks provide a technical method for platforms to maintain a layer of transparency. Finally, update number 5 is Meta's launch of Muse Glimmer, part of Mark Zuckerberg's push for broader open access to AI models. Muse Glimmer is an open-weight model, meaning it is designed for smaller, localized tasks that developers can customize and run themselves. Unlike massive models that require a server farm, Muse Glimmer is compact enough to run locally on a single graphics card. This splits the field in two: massive, closed systems for complex research, and small, customizable models that put the power of an agent directly into the hands of individual developers. This week's updates show 2 paths moving in parallel. Major labs are rushing to give AI the power to act on our behalf, while simultaneously trying to build the guardrails needed to keep those actions under control. While the potential reach of these systems is growing, the physical requirements are shrinking, allowing autonomous agents to run on the hardware you already have at home. We want to hear from you. Are you ready to let an AI agent handle your online tasks, or is the security risk too high? Let us know in the comments. And if you enjoyed this breakdown, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more updates. With Google, Meta, and Anthropic all moving toward autonomous workflows this week, the focus has shifted from what an AI can say to what it can actually do. Thanks for watching.